This is Shamerson Cooper reporting live from the Chicago River, and we have a couple of people who are walking by, and we'd like to find out from them what they think. Oh, and we have a birthday here.
Got a birthday.
And we have a birthday.
Her name Nia.
Nia.
That's Nia right there, man. Happy birthday, man. You already know how we coming, man. Chirac shit, man.
Oh yeah, Chirac shit. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I mean, listen, the town was rioting for your birthday.
Yeah, for real.
For real.
Seriously.
Right?
Geminis, right?
Right. Gemini.
Crazy Geminis
Oh,
did it. No Pisces, Aries, none of that. Geminis did it.
Gemini, all up in my eye. Get jiggy with it.
Get jiggy with
What?
it.
Happy
Straight
birthday. So what do you think happened this weekend, man?
Oh, man. I just
what
hope
are your
everybody,
thoughts?
families, you know what I'm saying? It's time for everybody to calm down. They getting everything situated. The cops locked up. They did it, you know what I mean?
Those guys are.
Those
The
guys,
four of
all
them.
4 of them guys locked up, you know? So we just waiting on the results right now.
Yeah, man.
Stay prayed up, stay healthy,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah, we've been under this COVID lockdown. How do you feel about that? Staying indoors all the time.
Man, that was driving us crazy, man. I'm fat, man.
What?
I got this, man. Fat, man. This happened, man. This what happened, man. For real, man. Straight up.
Oh, thank you so much. Listen,
Hey,
you
man,
guys stay
thank
safe,
you.
all
Hey,
right?
thank you so much.
Yeah,
Bless.
for sure. Bless
All
you.
right.
God
Thank
bless
you,
you.
man.
Happy
God bless.
birthday.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right,
Stay
thank you.
safe. All right, that's cameraman and reporter Shamerson Cooper reporting live from Chicago.